Can I talk to Papa? Hey, baby girl. Hi, honey. You feel like talking? You feel like talking now? Hi, honey. Yeah? What you got to say?
Say, my name is Lauren.
What you got to say, baby girl?
My name is Lauren.
Hi.
Raja.
Yeah.
Raja.
What you got to say, honey? Yeah? Yeah. Hi. Huh? Huh?
Oh, yeah, I'm still sleepy, Mama.
It's not ready to talk. I thought she was getting ready to go.
Yeah.
Hi, baby girl. Hi, honey. Hey.
Mama.
Hey.
You tell Mama how pretty you are today. Yeah.
Say, Papa's giving me a massage.
Yeah. Papa
Because it's my
belly.
fussy time of day, usually.
Rubbing her belly, and he's rubbing her legs.
Hey. You just started talking and then you didn't talk anymore.
I know. But the camera.
Yeah?
Oh.
Yeah?
My name is Lauren.
Yeah?
My
What you
name
got,
is
honey?
Lauren.
What you got to say? Hmm? Hmm? Hmm?
We'll try again
She's
later when she's
speechless
more.
now.
Yes. She got all tongue tied.
She's right on the verge, though.
She'll get
She's
all
going to have a
tongue-tied.
session. All right, we'll give it if she starts.